Take 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I guess this is how we do it. So check it out. My name's Sean. Welcome to ESG Fabrication. As you can see, it's right here on my hat. I want to welcome you to my YouTube page. This will be episode 1. It's going to be kind of an introduction, kind of letting you know what I'll be doing, what will be happening, and stuff like that. Obviously, as you know, I'm into cars. So here's where it goes. So what we like to do here is, we like to build all types of stuff. So, if you got something that you thought of that you need welded, custom fabricated, I like to bring that to life. So in doing that, you can basically, the sky's the limit. We decided we want to put a diesel motor in a car. Let's do it. Why not? I don't think that's something I'm probably going to do though, but it would be kind of cool too. So I'm going to have a few different builds, and the builds themselves will be a Formula D spec Mazda RX-8. That is going to be my competition car. So there's going to be a bit of a road between me trying to become a professional driver and experiencing what I do on a day-to-day basis when it comes to doing different types of builds of cars. And I used to have an RSX. I'm not sure if any of you have seen my Instagram. Some of them you do. Some viewers may or may not. If you look, you might see it. It'll be in the highlights. It'll say Selena. That's what I named the car. It was silver. It was RSX K24 swap, JDM K24. I drove all the way to Jersey to go get it. Completely redid the whole thing, and then I decided that I wanted to get back into more seat time. So this is going to be a bit of a build surprise for some people that know me, and for other people it's also going to be kind of a new thing. So there's going to be a few different episodes. I'm probably going to release one maybe once a week, give or take, on what I've built or what has happened. So I do a lot of exhaust work. I get some intercoolers. I build all types of stuff, but with my car in its own, you will see a lot of the fabrication process. There will be a lot of in-depth things. I'll try not to get in touch base on things that a lot of people have done. For instance, I will be extending the control arms and stuff like that, making my own angle kit, but aside from that, there might be some minor things that just I like to meticulously go through. And that's just me. That's how I build my cars. Alright, so one thing I also forgot to kind of tell you guys, I'm located in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. I'm not sure if you guys may already know where I am, may or may not. There's going to be a lot of pretty dope shit. I got quite a few weeks of stuff that you guys are going to be quite interested in, I think.